In this video, I'm going to show you how to create walls in AutoCAD using the MLINE command. Start by selecting the lines of your floor plan and group them to keep your layout organized while you work. Next, type MLINE in the command line and press enter. Before drawing, set the justification option to 0 so the walls align correctly with your plan. Then adjust the scale value to match the wall thickness you want to use. Once the settings are ready, trace over your floor plan using the MLINE tool to create the walls. As you draw, make sure the walls follow the layout accurately and connect properly at corners. If needed, you can adjust the wall thickness later by changing the MLINE scale settings. Taking a few moments to set up the correct wall width will help keep your floor plan accurate and professional. After finishing, delete the original guidelines, leaving only the completed walls. This method is fast, clean, and perfect for creating basic architectural floor plans. Thanks for watching and happy drafting in AutoCAD.